I was born in the rural area of Nixon, Texas, out in the country, and my father was a school teacher, and my mother passed away when I was 6 years old. So my sister helped raise me, and it was a good life on the thing. And as she has told me, says we were poor, but we didn't know we were because everybody else was too. I first moved to San Antonio in 1951, and I was working for the railroad here, and I got invited to come to a visitation on a Tuesday night from a young man that was in the military here that was eating at a boarding house I lived in. So I came down and met quite a number of young people. They were all, high school, late high school, and early professional young ones, and just fell in love with a lot of people on the thing. Really enjoyed it. I stayed here till 1953 when I was in the Army, and had 2 years of military duty, and it was a good time for me. I learned a lot and enjoyed the time that I was there. And then went off to Tulsa, Oklahoma, and went to aeronautical school there. Stayed and went from there to Dallas in 1957, and met Dolores, and we were married in 1959. We moved to San Antonio in 1980, and we visited a couple of other churches, but I just felt like all along that this is where I wanted to come back to, because I enjoyed the fellowship of a lot of friends and just all the doctrine that we believe in here. I've been a deacon since, I was a deacon in First Baptist Church Richardson before we ever moved here. I guess probably ordained as a deacon back in, somewhere around 65 or something like that. What I do enjoy the most about being a deacon is being a servant and helping people when I can. What do I tell people about First Baptist Church and why we come here? The ministries that we have, all the missions and the Bible studies that we enjoy coming to. It's easy to invite people to come. And I see a lot of apartments being built and lived in the near part of downtown, and I really would like to see us to have some bigger ministry to those people. Our television ministry does a great job ministering to people all over. I think that if we had some drawing card other than good preaching, good music, that this would help for the church to grow and to be a witness for the Lord.